Birds have weak bites, right? Wrong. The real champion isn't a predator, and it will shock you. Crow, tiny bird, 70 PSI. Surprisingly strong for its size. Hawk, fast hunter, 200 PSI. Sharp, precise, powerful. Eagle, apex predator, 400 PSI. Strong, but far from the winner. Owl, silent killer, 500 PSI. Stronger than the eagle. Condor, giant scavenger, 700 PSI. Huge beak, huge pressure. Hyacinth Macaw, a parrot with 2,000 PSI. The strongest bite of any bird. Predators lose. Herbivore wins. Which animal should I test next? Comment below.